Hello, guys. We welcome you again, once again, in our YouTube channel. So, yeah, my boy John Matrix Albina wants to show you how to cook eggs. Okay, so what you're gonna do when you cook egg? So you're gonna crack it first, right?
It already cracked. It already cracked.
Okay. So yes, so crack. Yep, you can crack the eggs. So this boy is just really wants to cook. So as his dad, I will grab the opportunity, whatever he wants. So, yep. Yes. The, what you gonna put? What you gonna put there? You can put a bit of salt. Yep, yep.
But first, can I wash my
So just a bit. You can use the tissue.
It dries
Okay. So you're gonna put a bit of salt, just a tiny bit. Don't put a lot. Okay. Yep, that's good. And then, yep, you can mix it up. Make it really nice. Okay. So this is your second recipe. What we cooked yesterday?
We cooked crabs.
Crabs, yes, and that was really yummy. Yeah, we put. What are the ingredients we applied to the crabs yesterday?
Put some like garlic,
And
salt,
yep, and
like some garlic and butter.
the butter, and then
We got the raw crabs.
we cook it for how many minutes?
5.
5, and then another 5, so 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, 10. Oh, what's that yellow? What's that black thing?
No, that's okay. It's a fresh egg.
Am I pouring the egg?
Yep. So after this, you're gonna.
Pour the egg.
Yep.
What about the pinch thing?
Which one there?
The pinch thing?
The pinch thing? Yep.
What?
Yep.
What about like the salt thing with that?
Yeah. Just the salt. Just a bit of the salt. And you know what's best for the egg? We can even put fresh milk, just a tiny bit, to make it more yummy. Some others cook eggs.
Does it
They,
make it sweeter?
yep. So you wanna give it a try?
Okay.
So yeah.
No.
No, leave it. But yeah, like I said,
Maybe
we can even put fresh milk. So
maybe another video.
yep. Okay.
Different or today.
So I'm
Or
happy
do you
with the
wanna put it
interest on
now?
my boy. He he really wants to cook
You wanna
on
do
his
it?
younger age, but yeah, I will
Dad,
give
you
it a
wanna do
go
it now?
with my guidance. Milk?
No,
Yep. Okay. This is the fresh milk. So we can even put a tiny bit. Yep.
turns to you.
Yep.
Turns to even more yellow.
Yep.
No, actually mix
Yep.
it like
Mix
this.
it up properly. So aside from eggs, what are the stuffs that we're gonna need? So we need
We need a pan.
yes,
We need
cooking oil.
oil and we need
Yes.
that's all.
Yes. So you're done with the mixing, and then we're gonna proceed the cooking time. Okay, so we will proceed to our cooking time. So we're gonna light that one on.
Turn it on now.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it on. So don't leave your child doing this by himself. So we're gonna show him the right way.
Wait, you put it
Don't leave
in
him
low
alone.
mode or high mode?
Just normal mode. Okay. So what's next?
That's high mode. Pour.
So we're gonna pour the cooking oil.
Do I pour it?
Yep. Yep.
How much?
Oh, Don't don't put too many. Just good enough for that because it's just only 2 eggs. Okay, let me
Oh,
open.
why is it so oily?
Yeah, because it's oil. Okay, I'm gonna put so just a tiny bit.
Do I mix?
That's
Do I
enough.
make? Do I spread it?
No, leave it until it goes hot.
I spread it.
Yeah.
Dad, can I wash my hands?
No, just use tissue. So what's the cooking time for cooking eggs? Like
3 or 2.
1 minute?
Okay.
Yeah. That shouldn't take long because it's just only egg, right? So you're
I
gonna do
didn't.
that
I didn't.
way.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
120 seconds. 2 minutes.
So in 1 minute,
Hey, it's not cooking oil.
the
It's
egg is done.
sunflower oil.
Yeah.
Is it spreading?
Now you can pour the egg.
Wait, all of it?
Yeah. Pour it very gently. Yep. Just start in the middle. Yep. That's good.
Hey, you see the milk at the spreading?
Yes.
Do I spread it?
No, just leave it like that first, and then we're gonna flip it.
How do I flip it? With the pan?
Yeah.
You have to make it like to get like join together.
Yes. You can even do this way, so it will just spread by itself.
But can I do that?
When you grow up, this will be very easy for you to cook eggs.
Oh, Dad, it's already joining together. It's
Yeah.
been like a second. Hey, look. Hey, am I allowed to use the
Yep.
thing? The flipper or something? I don't know.
You can even do this way. Yeah. 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 Okay.
Look at the.
Now you can flip it over. So you can start from here and then fold it that way. You want me
Fold.
to show you?
Do I fold it?
Yeah.
I just need to make it sure if it's not stuck. Wait, do I fold it?
Yeah. Okay,
Do
I'll
I
show
fold
you.
it?
I'll show you how. Okay, so you can start from here.
Do I have to flip
And
it?
then you can do that way.
Do I fold it now?
That way.
I fold it now?
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's it. And we're almost done.
Well, I don't know what.
Yeah. You want to flip? Or I will flip it for you.
I flip.
So we will flip it one
I
time and
flip.
we're done. Okay? So just do that way and then bring it up gently and then drop it gently as well. Okay? So we're almost done.
I put the egg on the
Yep.
plate.
So just hold the top, hold that one. Then get the plate. Okay.
Daddy, I pushed it.
Yes, we're almost done.
I pushed
So we're gonna put
it. It like
kitchen
vibrate.
tissue roll.
It
And
vibrates.
then we're gonna turn off the
Stove.
and we're done. I'll
What?
show you. You're gonna lift it
Am
up like that.
Do I put it?
Yep, and then you put it here, and then you can put it very gently. Yep, and we're done. Okay, so it's time to
Eat.
attack. Okay, so
Stop.
we did done cooking eggs,
Do I stop recording?
but yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. So here we go. John Matrix is already done cooking the eggs. Looks delicious. So you're gonna put that one in the bread, right? Is it hot?
Yeah.
Looks so yummy, okay?
No.
You wanna give the other
What?
that one? You wanna give that one to Ate later on?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So you have to share to Ate, okay? Sharing is good, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me how it tastes like. How is it? Good? Yummy? Yes, it's different flavor, right? Because we put a bit of fresh milk, right?
This doesn't taste like it.
Yes. So you have to share to Ate, okay?